Are you looking to build your business credit like a boss? Well, you're in luck. I've created this awesome ebook where you can learn how to build business credit and get over $500,000 in business funding. It's on sale right now, $40 on sale. Original price is $125. I am giving you guys this at a highly discounted price, but only 100 copies will be sold at this price. Click the link in the description below or in the pinned comments. You are already a boss, so why not get that business credit like a boss? Hey, it's your girl designer Soapbox, and I am back with another video. So in today's video, we're going to talk about, should you deposit $200 or $2,000 on a secured credit card to get a higher limit from Navy Federal? So if you're interested, stay tuned. So people are wondering, how much funds should they put on a secured credit card in hopes to get a higher limit? The recommended way that most people suggest, and as Designer Soapbox, I'm here to give you guys the real spiel and how to get those higher limit credit cards without doing too much on your end. So the recommended way is to deposit only the $200 minimum and wait for the credit card to graduate to a higher limit. This is the recommended way when getting a secured credit card. Most lenders take 6 months to graduate to a higher limit, so your $200 will potentially become higher after 6 months or more. You can apply for an unsecured credit card after 3 months, which can give you a higher limit quicker than a secured credit card that takes 6 months to graduate, and it takes 6 months to get your deposit money back that you used to get that secured credit card if a lender offers that option. Some lenders don't even offer you getting your money back. So just keep in mind of that. If you deposit your own money, always ask or always look for the credit card details to see if you're going to get your money back. The recommended way that I like to use and that I suggest a lot of people that want to win in this game is OPM. Using other people's money is the key to the credit game. Putting too much of your own capital will not give you a higher limit for sure or for certain. So if you're new to credit, I know that higher limit credits are very sexy and you guys really want these higher credit limits, but you don't want to put too much in your own capital. It's not very wise to do so. Also, if you only qualify for a secured credit card and you have debt, a recommended way is maybe perhaps you would like to use the additional money that you may have wanted to put on a secured credit card and use that to pay off some of your debt or invest in some credit repair materials that can help you get a higher limit after that 3-month mark has reached. So just keep in mind there are other ways to achieve a higher limit without putting too much capital of your own money. You can also use that capital to invest in an additional side hustle, which if you stay consistent with your side hustle, that could potentially be way more than the credit limit that you may get. I personally do not recommend giving up no more than the minimum of what that credit card requires to open a secured credit card account. It's really not worth it. The banks are really making more money off you, and especially if you perhaps miss a payment or a minimum payment on the money that you put in, you are charged interest on your own money. So it's really not a wise thing. Okay, helpful tips. It's okay to have a low limit on your credit card. It's okay. Payment history and debt to income ratio is the key to a high and strong credit score, not just the limit. High credit limit does not mean you will have a high credit score. If you have a high credit limit and you are not leveraging the income, you are likely to get a lower score because you are likely to use that high credit limit and not pay it back in time, which will rocket up your credit utilization, which will lower your credit score. So sometimes high credit limits aren't in the best interest for those that aren't using that credit limit to make income. Take your time with your credit. Establish a good relationship with the lender, and more products and higher limits will be available to you in due time. Most lenders need to see a track record of your credit. If you deposit $2,000 on a credit card and your payment history is 70 to 98%, you are still technically at a high risk. So this is why depositing $2,000 on a credit card isn't really a great idea, especially if you have a low payment history and your credit isn't excellent. So I suggest just do at the minimum, take your time, and that high credit limit will be available to you very soon. Hey, have you heard about the Charge Off and Collection Express Removal Guide that I have available? A step-by-step guide to remove negative charge-offs and collections from your credit report rapidly. These steps are easy and you don't need a credit repair company to do this. It's all step-by-step that you can do on your own. Check it out. It's 50% off right now. You don't want to miss out at designersoapbox.com, or you can check the pinned comment or link in the description below to find that link. Make sure you check it out. It's 50% off right now, guys. Don't miss out. Hurry, hurry. Hi everyone, it's Designer Soapbox. I just wanted to make this video to guys let you know that I am having a 50% off sale for 72 hours. Yes, a 50% off sale on the 24-hour express inquiry removal guide and also the late payment removal guide. So just head down to the description or to the pinned comments and click the link and get your 50% off. Remember, this inquiry removal will help you remove hard inquiries from your credit report within 24 hours. And then the late payment guide will help you remove your late payments very fast, super fast actually. If you're tired of disputing your late payments, waiting 30 to 45 days, this is a quicker method of getting these late payments removed. So if you guys enjoyed a lot of my content, I talk about this in my videos. However, I have this in an ebook. I'm doing 50% off for you guys. If you missed the 60% off sale, I'm doing one for 50% off. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and thanks for supporting, and make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Bye. One for 50% off. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and thanks for supporting, and make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Bye. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Don't forget to add me on OnlyFans, where we discuss tips and hacks that we can't post on YouTube at onlyfans.com/designer soapbox. Don't forget to add me on Instagram at designer soapbox. And don't forget to check out those ebooks that we got on sale, honey, at designersoapbox.com, where you remove your hard inquiries, late payments, collections, and more. So make sure you check that out. And I'll see you guys in the next video. And don't forget, guys, I love you all. Bye.